growing your main income, and reaching your goals toward financial independence and financial freedom can be overwhelming, and in some cases, might seem impossible. People spend a tremendous amount of time negotiating their salary increase, changing jobs, or even starting a business, and yet with no real impact on their main income. Understanding the key fundamentals about your main income can be the first step toward your financial independence and financial freedom. Welcome to Professionals by Nature, where people find tips and advices about their career, finance, and lifestyle inspirations. We cover topics such as career progress, money making, investing, relocation destinations for skilled professionals, and much more. If you have not considered subscribing yet, click on the button subscribe and hit the bell for more content-related videos. Here is our video about the 5 key fundamentals to know about making money. Number 1. There are 4 ways of making money. Since the early ages, and until today, there has been 4 ways of making money that are still valid until today. You can make an income either by being 1. An employee. 2. A self-employed. 3. A business owner. 4. An investor. The fundamental difference is not in the amount of money they make. In fact, in some cases, an employee can make more money than a business owner. For example, a Fortune 500 company's CEO makes more money than a coffee shop owner. And yet, the CEO is an employee, and the coffee shop owner is a business owner, and maybe even an employer. However, the main difference lies in the way each category uses their time. Category 1 and Category 2, employees and self-employed, both sell their time for money. Category 3 and Category 4, business owners and investors, both do not sell their time for money. And that is the key element that separates people in their journey to financial independence and financial freedom. As Steve Jobs once said in the commencement speech, delivered at Stanford University in California, he addressed hundreds of graduates from all over the world in an inspiring speech, promising to tell 3 stories about his life. While the audience was religiously listening to everything Steve Jobs was saying, he told them something about time that is so simple and powerful that we believe it is key to understanding the rule of making money and making decisions in life in general. Steve Jobs said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." Number 2. Selling your time for money. Selling time for money means working on an hourly basis to earn an income. That means that your income is directly indexed to the number of hours you will spend at work. Let's take the example of an employee and a self-employed, such as a freelancer. In practice, a self-employed individual is more likely to earn more than an employee. However, there is one common denominator between the self-employed person, such as a freelancer, and the employee. They both sell their time for money. But why does it matter? Because it represents 2 aspects that you need to be aware of in your journey to making money. Number 1. Selling to someone else part of your time will take out part of your freedom. Number 2. Because you cannot scale the 24 hours that you have in your day, selling you time for money will limit your capacity of scaling your ideas. That is why moving toward freelancing and self-employment might bring to your life some form of freedom and income increase. However, this income increase might be quickly limited because your income is directly indexed to the time that you sell. Don't get us wrong. Freelancing and self-employment have brought happiness and fulfillment to so many people around the globe. But as you know, you got only 24 hours in day for work and for your personal life. In reality, you got only 8 to 12 hours a day for work, after which your body and mind might ask for rest. So, keep in mind, if scaling business and having more personal freedom are important factors into your business and life in general, then you might consider business ideas where you don't work yourself on an hourly basis to earn your income. And remember, because you can't scale your time, that is limited to 24 hours a day, selling your time for money will limit you from scaling your ideas and growing your income. Number 3. Buying other people's time to make money. In exchange for money, people can sell you their time to provide you a service, build you a product, use their skills to run your business, etc. Ideally, their service will generate you a revenue that will cover your expenses and create you a profit. Despite still having to manage your business, as per the administration, the logistics, the legal, etc., you do not have to be present every hour in your business to generate a revenue. You have hired others to do it for you. Once your business is well established, your personal involvement in it as a director or as a manager should lower. This will free more of your personal time, which you can use to plan for other things, such as scaling your business, taking care of your wellness, or spending more time with family. Speaking of career progress, we have created a perfect career roadmap that has helped many professionals define a clear plan to progress from where they are today to where they want to be. And because you are watching this video, we are offering you this career roadmap for free, and you can find it by going to the link below or by going to our website professionalsbynature.com. Don't wait till you are looking for a job to assess your skills and plan your objectives. This career roadmap will help you do so ahead in advance. Number 4. Working for money. An employee works for money, so is a self-employed person, and that is something obvious. But does a business owner also work for money? The answer is yes. Even a business owner with plenty of people working for him is still considered someone working for money. But why? Because as a business owner, you have the obligation to run your business, monitor it, and steer it toward the direction you want. Even by hiring a manager to your business, this manager will still have to report to you, and you will have to work with him to make the adequate decisions for your business. It's not an autopilot thing. It's not something bad to work for money, but there is something better. And that is making money work for you. Number 5. Making money work for you. You guessed it. Investors make their money work for them. They put money in someone else's business in exchange for a remuneration that usually is in the form of dividends. Not only those in this category do not sell their time for money, but they do not work for money. They put their money at work and let it generate them an income. Whether they wake up at 6 a.m. or at 10 a.m. If you have ever invested in the stock market, you would know that this is true. Whether you wake up for work or you don't work at all, your stock will still generate you revenue, and on top of that, the value of your investment might grow with the time. Let's wrap it up. Which income model is better suited for you to make money? The answer is not drop shipping versus affiliate marketing, or being an employee versus being an entrepreneur. The answer lies within your understanding of the 5 fundamental points of this video and locating yourself in one of them or few of them. You should know that being an employee might be the best thing for your career and for your personal life. As long as you keep your expenses low and maintain your skills sharp. In fact, employers will keep giving you jobs and income as long as your skills and qualities can solve their problems. However, if having more personal freedom and more financial independence is something you value more, then you might want to think differently and ditch the 9-to-5 lifestyle for something different. And don't forget your free career roadmap. Like a captain needs a compass and a map to navigate the seas, you also need a career roadmap to navigate today's career opportunities. Don't wait till you are looking for a job to assess your skills and plan your objectives. This career roadmap will help you do so ahead in advance. To get your free copy, you can click on the link in the video description below or head to our website, professionalsbynature.com. We hope this video helped you see things a little differently. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell button for more content-related videos. We hope to see you soon.